Our today's lesson is how to add two fractions with unlike denominators. For example, we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. So first of all, if we have two denominators are different, so we have to multiply the denominator of the one fraction multiply with the other, and the denominator of the other fraction we have to multiply it with the first one. For example, here we have denominator 4, so we have to multiply it with the first term. So we write it down here. 4 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus, now we multiply the denominator of first term with the second one, so 3 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 4. So 4 times 2 8 and 4 times 3 12 plus 3 times 1 3, 3 times 4 we have 12. So now both denominators are same, so we just add nominators. So 8 plus 3 we have 11, and denominators are same, so we write down 12. So this is our solution. Now we move towards another example. The next example, for example, we take two numbers 1 over 5 plus 2 over 7. We have 1 over 5 plus 2 over 7. So now we just needs to multiply the denominator of the second term with the first one, and we multiply the denominator of the first term with the second one. So we have 7 over 7 times 1 over 5 plus 5 over 5 times 2 over 7. So 7 times 1 is equal to 7, and 7 times 5 is equal to 35, plus 5 times 2 10, 7 times 5 is 35. Now our denominators are same, so we can add only nominators. So we have 7 plus 10 over 35. So 7 plus 10 is 17 over 35. So this is our answer.